How to find all your pins on Pinterest. So if you want to find all your saved pins, no matter whether they are hidden or not, I'm going to show you how you can do this. Let's get started. So firstly, let's open up the Pinterest. And now I'm going to go through the feed to find a picture I want to save. Let's choose this cat and click button save. Now you can choose where you want to save this pin. You can add it to your boards. Mine are all hidden, or you can create new board. I'm gonna create new board. I'm gonna leave this suggested name and make it public. Let's tap create. So now how you can find this pin is you can go ahead and tap your profile at the bottom right corner. Now you're gonna click your profile icon in the top left, click view profile and then tap saved. After that you will see the list of all your pins. So if I click here, I will see all my pins, but this includes only the pins which are public. So if you saved a pin to the private board, you will not be able to see it right here on your profile feed in the saved section. Here, basically, it shows only the pins which other people will be able to see. So if you want to find your secret ones as well, then just go back and from collages or boards, switch to the pins. Now you will see all your saved pins, no matter whether they were hidden or not. You can also click the many dots icon and change viewed options, and also you can tap on favorites and find your favorite pins or created by you, just like that. But don't forget to refresh the page because sometimes it is lagging a bit. Also, how you can find your pins is to go directly in the board section and then just go through your boards to find all your saved pins. You can tap here and also change the style, and you can edit this board. For example, you can make it public by switching off here. So I can make this board public. And now if I go back to my profile, I should see it right here. Yep, all pins and my board. And that's it. Don't forget to hit subscribe to see more useful content.